Hey, it's Mack from Plumbing Deals. Today we're going to talk about installing a TOTO washlet or bidet seat. We're going to use the C2 as an example. It's a solid entry-level washlet, has a variety of features on it that are all controllable from a side control panel directly attached to the bidet. It's going to have gentle aerated spray, you'll have different temperature options for the water, and it's got a heated seat. It's the perfect addition for any bathroom. Let's jump into the install.
Locate the shutoff valve for your toilet and shut the water off. Next, we're going to uninstall the toilet seat on your toilet, unscrew the bolts, and remove the seat. Disconnect the supply line for the toilet. You might need a wrench to get it started. After that, you can use your hands to loosen it all the way. Here's our T washlet connector. We want this to be just a little more than hand tight right on the fill valve. Make sure not to cross thread it. Then install our top mount TOTO hardware. I like to push these in with the screws. Makes them go in a little easier. Here's our bracket. It's clearly labeled front and back. Pretty hard to mess up. Throw in our metal rails. There's several different spots that you can install them on. I like to go one up from the bottom. Gives you a little adjustment. Every toilet's different though, and make sure you line it up with your toilet tank and bowl. Throw in the bolts. Center your bracket. And then tighten until snug. Once it's snug, we'll be able to install the washlet. This just slides right into the bracket. If you didn't align it properly, you'll notice that the toilet will not go all the way back and click into place. Just reset it and you'll feel it slide right into place for a snug and firm connection. Now we'll install the water supply to the washlet right to our Washlet T. Just a little more than hand tight. Make sure not to cross thread it. Plug it into an outlet, preferably a GFI protected one, and you'll see our controls light up and power it on. The water won't turn onto the washlet unless you're sitting on the seat. I tricked it here, but now we know our washlet's working.
And just like that, your TOTO C2 is ready to use. Upgrade your toilet today at plumbingdeals.com, and for more plumbing tips, like and subscribe. Thanks.